Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us face, a rusty vise that's become too difficult to open. But fear not, because I'm going to teach you a simple trick to repair it and make it work like new. And the best part, you can even save some money in the process. As time goes by, hand tools inevitably fall victim to rust, and vise pliers are no exception. When they rust, they become a real pain to use and can seriously affect your work efficiency, especially if they're kept in a humid environment. You end up having to use extra force just to open them. But today, I'm going to share a quick and easy repair method that can have your vise pliers back in tip top shape in just a few minutes. I hope it comes in handy for you. So let's get started. First, place your rusty pliers into a container. Next, add a generous amount of baking soda, making sure to sprinkle it evenly, focusing on the rusty areas. Baking soda is readily available at most supermarkets, so don't hold back. Now, it's time to bring out the white vinegar that's always sitting in your kitchen. Pour the white vinegar into the container, paying attention to pour it along the rust stains on the pliers. White vinegar has a softening effect on iron and can effectively remove rust stains. The magic happens when the white vinegar reacts with the baking soda, creating a bubbling reaction. Let it sit for about 20 minutes to allow the rust to soften. You'll notice that a lot of the rust has already started to dissolve. After soaking, carefully remove the pliers. You'll see that a significant portion of the rust stains have vanished. But we're not done yet. If your pliers still feel stiff, keep opening and closing them in the vinegar water. This repeated action allows the vinegar water to penetrate deeper into the pliers and remove internal rust. Once your pliers are moving more freely, it's time to move to the next step. Grab a brush, preferably one with a tougher bristle head, and scrub the surface of the pliers to get rid of any remaining rust stains. For really stubborn rust, start with a wire brush before using a regular brush. After the rust is gone, rinse the pliers with clean water, pat them dry with a paper towel. Your pliers should be as good as new. But here's a tip. To prevent future rust, use a lighter to thoroughly dry the pliers, making sure all moisture is gone. Then, grab a bottle of lubricant and apply it to all parts of the clean pliers. This will reduce friction and prevent rust in the future. Be sure to apply it evenly and avoid over-oiling. Finally, store your pliers in a dry and well-ventilated area to keep them from rusting again. Remember, rust occurs when iron, oxygen, and water combine, so by isolating them from moisture, you're preventing rust from forming. By following these simple steps, you've not only saved yourself the cost of buying new tools, but also honed your DIY skills and learned the importance of tool maintenance. These skills will save you time and money in the long run. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to revive your rusty vise pliers. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us going. If you have more ideas or tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.